Wait for a pullback where RSI retests and rejects the ribbon. When both the ribbon and RSI color gradients align in the breakout direction, it often marks the start of a sustained move rather than a short-lived spike. Many of you already know the original TP RSI. Today, thanks to your feedback, we're introducing an upgraded version, TP RSI 2.0. Created by TrendlineProject, TP RSI 2.0 is a refined take on the classic Relative Strength Index. It combines RSI logic with multi-layered moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and divergence detection, forming a comprehensive momentum and confirmation system. The indicator's foundation remains the RSI, but its functionality goes beyond simple overbought or oversold readings. It smooths the RSI line with adaptive moving averages, allowing traders to spot trend phases and exhaustion zones more clearly. The multi-ribbon system builds a visual RSI landscape, where gradients change with momentum direction. This layered effect turns the RSI into a trend tracking tool rather than a static oscillator. Built-in divergence detection automatically flags both regular and hidden divergences between price and RSI, giving traders early signs of potential reversals. These signals, combined with customizable look-back ranges, make it practical across various assets and time frames. The Bollinger Band overlay helps gauge RSI volatility, while alert conditions simplify automation for those relying on notifications rather than visual cues. In a real trading setup, TP RSI 2.0 shines as a confluence tool. It's especially useful when confirming trend reversals or timing pullbacks within larger structures. Swing and intraday traders can pair it with price action or volume indicators to validate entries and exits. Its customizability, from MA types to color styles and signal alerts, allows users to tune it precisely to their strategies. It offers several practical applications that align naturally with different trading styles and phases of market behavior. One of the clearest ways to use TP RSI 2.0 is during breakout setups. When the RSI ribbon and its Bollinger Bands begin to contract, it signals compression, a buildup of momentum waiting to release. A strong RSI surge breaking out of the upper or lower Bollinger Band, especially on rising volume, confirms the move's strength. Traders can enter at the breakout itself, or, for a more conservative approach, wait for a pullback where RSI retests and rejects the ribbon. When both the ribbon and RSI color gradients align in the breakout direction, it often marks the start of a sustained move rather than a short-lived spike. Following a confirmed breakout, TP RSI 2.0 helps identify optimal re-entry zones during pullbacks. As price trends, RSI typically oscillates between overbought or oversold zones without resetting completely. The ribbon acts as dynamic support or resistance for RSI. When price pulls back and RSI approaches this ribbon from above, in an uptrend, or below, in a downtrend, traders can watch for rejection and re-acceleration. This is a logical continuation of the breakout phase, offering multiple lower-risk entry points within an ongoing trend. The built-in divergence detection enhances both strategies above. Regular divergences warn of potential exhaustion at trend extremes, helping traders secure profits or avoid false breakouts. Hidden divergences, on the other hand, confirm trend continuation during pullbacks, providing extra confidence when RSI and price align with the broader directional bias. Combining TP RSI 2.0 with structural tools such as support and resistance zones or trend lines adds further precision. A breakout occurring near a well-defined resistance line with RSI expansion strengthens conviction, while a pullback aligning with a trendline retest and RSI ribbon bounce offers a clean technical confluence. This integration anchors the indicator's signals within broader price structure, improving timing and reducing noise. Overall, these use cases show how TP RSI 2.0 transitions seamlessly between momentum discovery and trend management, a rare blend that suits both breakout and continuation traders. Here are some optimization tips that can help you make the most out of this tool. When the Bollinger Bands begin to contract, focus on the ribbon's color and alignment. If all its bands are stacked in the same direction and RSI is coiling up while repeatedly failing to break through, There's a strong chance the breakout will happen in that same direction. Look for additional confirmation from nearby support or resistance zones, or a matching divergence signal. These confluences increase the probability of a clean move. After a pullback and RSI rejection by the ribbon, strong momentum often pushes RSI to hit or cross the Bollinger Band again in the trend direction. When that happens, it suggests there's still strength left in the move. If RSI fails to reach or break the band, it signals momentum is fading. This can be a good time to reduce exposure or close positions, especially if price nears key support or resistance. On the other hand, if RSI breaks through the ribbon and crosses the opposite band during a pullback, it may indicate a shift in momentum or the start of a consolidation phase. In such cases, patience pays off. Wait for fresh alignment before re-entering. Settings are optimized for swing and day trading, offering a balanced response to price changes. For scalping, consider experimenting with shorter RSI and moving average lengths to make the indicator more sensitive to rapid price fluctuations. This adjustment helps the ribbon and divergences react faster, which is essential in lower time frames where timing precision matters most. I hope this indicator becomes your go-to tool. Need more? Check out our latest video where we put 5 AI-powered trading indicators to the test.